All right, so the oil pan's on it. We got the timing cover on it. Well, he looks like he's fishing for something over there. What are you looking for, Harper?
It's a Ford. You got the
These do suck. The bolts nuts are way down in there, and they'll fall out. And then it's usually a stainless steel nut, and so the magnet don't pick it up. So we got the front back on it. So we think we're good to go. We talked to Dan at RFD today. And he said he didn't think that was an issue, the noise we're hearing on the valve train. We're about half the life of the actual valve springs. So he said normally about 80 runs. We're 30 or 35, 40. Got a bunch of burnouts. So we might have exceeded the capacity with burnouts.
More burnouts than runs.
I don't think so, though. Not yet. But
all that on purpose.
all of them are making a little bit of noise now. So we think it's definitely just, lack of heat. There's no heat in it, and there's just no oil because it's been just sitting there. It's been sitting there upside down like this for a month. All right, guys. Well, I think we're okay. You can see there's quite a bit of oil that was splashing and flowing down in there. So we're race ready, guys. This thing, very cold natured. It's about 50 degrees outside. So it's a little on the chilly side, but I think we're ready. So all we gotta do when we get to the track, we're gonna change the plugs in it, and all we gotta do when we get to the track is change the plugs and change the oil. We're gonna put Schaefer's oil in it. First time running that, and we'll be ready to go. Oil pressure was maintaining 50 sitting there idling. Don't have my laptop. That gauge is a little low. That's probably about 2 or 3 low. It's a little slow to react to, but I think we're good to go. All right, dig or die bound. Y'all come and see us. Saturday we'll be racing. We'll be there Friday, hanging out and watching racing as well. Willie's over here putting his together. He's almost done.
Yeah.
He's got, look, he's got 6 pistons in it. So he's working on his. So hopefully Willie will have his done soon. So yeah. So all right, guys. Well, I guess that's it for today. Mine cranked up and run. Very happy with the way mine run.
Yeah, we heard you.
Sounded good. Blah, 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 blah.
Acting like a Harley.
It did sound good. It sounded wicked with me sitting in it.
Walking on it.
I was like, boy, oh boy. But it did sound good. I liked it. So we're done. We're going to be at Rockingham. Dig or die this weekend. No prepping. Back at the track. Come see us. Later.